The 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is one of the most unconventional automotive experiments of the decade, merging the iconic performance heritage of the Mustang with the utility and comfort of a compact recreational vehicle. It sounds improbable on paper, yet Ford's design team approached the project with surprising seriousness, aiming to appeal to adventure-minded drivers who refuse to sacrifice sportiness for practicality. From the moment you see it, the Mustang Motorhome commands attention. The front fascia retains the recognizable Mustang grille and lighting signature, but the rear transitions into a sculpted, aerodynamic camper shell. It's a curious blend, bold, slightly eccentric, but undeniably eye-catching. The designers clearly spent significant effort making the RV portion seem like an extension of the Mustang rather than an afterthought. On the road, the vehicle performs with more agility than its size suggests. Thanks to a modified chassis and a reinforced suspension system, the motorhome doesn't wallow or sway excessively. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine delivers enough torque to move the added weight without strain, and the newly tuned 10-speed automatic shifts smoothly even on steep inclines. It's not a sports car anymore, but it's much livelier than the average RV. The electric assist steering is light but predictable, giving drivers confidence whether cruising on highways or navigating tight campground lanes. Ford's engineers also implemented upgraded braking components to handle the vehicle's mass, resulting in surprisingly short stopping distances for a motorhome. Drivers accustomed to full-size RVs may find the handling refreshingly manageable. Fuel economy, as expected, is not the motorhome's strongest attribute, but it performs reasonably well for its class. The mild hybrid system helps offset some of the weight penalty, especially in low-speed environments or during long idling periods. On mixed road conditions, the vehicle achieves numbers that place it between a traditional van-based camper and a midsize SUV towing a trailer. Inside, Ford went for a modern minimalist aesthetic. Clean lines, soft LED lighting, and smart storage solutions create a living space that feels larger than its footprint suggests. The interior uses durable, easy-to-clean materials without looking cheap, and the overall ambiance leans toward compact luxury rather than utilitarian camping setup. The kitchenette is compact but practical, offering an induction cooktop, a dual-voltage mini fridge, and a cleverly hidden sink. While it won't replace a full kitchen, it provides everything needed for weekend excursions or spontaneous road trips. Thoughtful placement of counter space ensures that meal preparation doesn't feel cramped. Sleeping accommodations are surprisingly generous. The fold-out bed platform is wide enough for 2 adults and includes memory foam padding that rivals many residential mattresses. Ventilation is excellent thanks to a roof vent and small rear windows, making overnight stays comfortable in a variety of climates. The small but functional bathroom is perhaps the most unexpected highlight. It incorporates a cassette toilet and a compact shower with a water-saving spray system. While far from luxurious, it offers genuine convenience for travelers who prefer self-contained facilities during long journeys. Technology integration in the 2026 model is robust. A large central touchscreen controls both vehicle systems and living area functions, including climate, lighting, and battery management. Wireless software updates ensure that the system improves over time, and the interface is intuitive even for those unfamiliar with smart home-style controls. Ford also included a suite of driver assistance features typically unavailable in small motorhomes: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a wide-angle rear camera significantly reduce driving stress. Long-distance trips become more comfortable, especially for drivers inexperienced with taller vehicles. Storage space is cleverly distributed throughout the motorhome. Under-seat compartments, hidden wall cubbies, and overhead shelves allow travelers to bring essential camping gear without clutter. Larger items like folding chairs and compact grills fit easily into the rear access storage bay. Ride comfort is respectable for a vehicle bridging the worlds of sports cars and RVs. The suspension has been carefully tuned to avoid the harsher characteristics of performance vehicles, instead absorbing rough road surfaces with composure. Passengers will appreciate the smoothness on long drives. One area where the Mustang Motorhome surpasses expectations is cabin quietness. Ford implemented additional sound-deadening materials to counter engine and road noise, resulting in a surprisingly serene interior environment. This is especially noticeable when parked for rest, where the cabin provides a peaceful retreat. The exterior's integrated awning and optional solar roof add meaningful practicality. The solar system isn't powerful enough to sustain heavy usage, but it noticeably extends battery life for lighting and small appliances. Combined with available lithium battery upgrades, off-grid travel becomes a realistic option. Customization plays a major role in the motorhome's appeal. Buyers can choose between several interior themes, upgraded entertainment systems, and advanced climate features. While these add to the price, they help tailor the vehicle to specific travel styles and comfort preferences. Affordability remains a point of debate. The Mustang Motorhome carries a premium price tag compared to traditional compact RVs or conversion vans. However, buyers seeking a unique blend of style, drivability, and compact living space may find its distinctive character worth the cost. Overall, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is a bold experiment that largely succeeds. It provides a highly drivable, stylish alternative to the conventional camper van, with the added flair of Mustang branding. While not a perfect solution for full-time RV living, it excels as a fun, capable, and conversation-starting adventure vehicle. Its quirks, both visual and functional, will no doubt spark discussion, but that's part of the appeal. For drivers who want a compact motorhome that stands out from the crowd without sacrificing modern comforts, the Mustang Motorhome offers an intriguing option.